The Majapahit Kingdom was a major empire in the Indonesian archipelago that existed from the late 13th century to the early 16th century. Founded by Raden Wijaya in 1293, Majapahit reached its peak during the reign of King Hayam Wuruk and his prime minister Gajah Mada, who succeeded in uniting much of the archipelago.
Kerajaan Majapahit merupakan sebuah kerajaan besar di wilayah Asia Tenggara. Kerajaan ini didirikan oleh Raden Wijaya tahun 1294 Masehi. Majapahit merupakan keberlanjutan dari Kerajaan Singosari, di mana Raden Wijaya merupakan mantu dari seorang raja besar Singosari yang bernama Kertanegara, raja besar yang berani menantang Kublai Khan saat itu.
The kingdom was renowned as a center of maritime power and culture, but it began to decline after the death of Hayam Wuruk and eventually collapsed in the early 16th century. This decline was driven by internal family conflicts over power struggles, coupled with the rising influence of Islamic kingdoms. Even though today the Majapahit Kingdom no longer exists, it has left various legacies for all of us.
Warisan Kerajaan Majapahit yang tersampaikan pada kita tidak hanya berupa sejarah belaka, namun banyak hal-hal positif yang harus kita pelajari dari Kerajaan Majapahit. Yang pertama adalah kesatuan dan persatuan. Karena bagaimanapun Kerajaan Majapahit mencapai puncak kejayaannya karena adanya kesatuan. Namun, kesatuan dan persatuan itu pula yang mengakibatkan Kerajaan Majapahit pudar dari sejarah di Jawa ya. Karena seperti disampaikan bahwa Majapahit pemudar akibat perpecahan di antara keluarga.
Museum Trowulan serves as a vital repository of Majapahit artifacts, playing an essential role in preserving and showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the Majapahit Kingdom. By protecting these valuable historical treasures, the museum connects the past with the present, offering a window into the grandeur of Majapahit civilization. Its educational and historical significance is profound, making it a key center for learning where visitors can explore and understand one of Indonesia's most important empires. Beyond its educational role, Museum Trowulan also provides a space for recreation and reflection, making it an important destination for those interested in deepening their knowledge of the Majapahit era. Through its extensive collections and thoughtfully curated exhibits, the museum enhances appreciation for the historical narratives that have shaped the region, continuing to stand as a beacon of cultural education and heritage preservation.
Diawali dengan didirikannya OVM pada tanggal 24 April 1924 oleh Bupati Mojokerto RAA Kromojoyo Adinegoro dengan seorang arsitek Belanda, Insinyur Henry Mecklenpon, yaitu suatu perkumpulan yang bertujuan untuk meneliti peninggalan-peninggalan Majapahit. Nah, OVM ini terletak di jalan jurusan Mojokerto Jombang di kilometer 13. Tempat tersebut digunakan untuk menyimpan artefak-artefak yang diperoleh melalui penggalian maupun penemuan yang secara tidak sengaja oleh penduduk. Nah, mengingat banyaknya artefak yang layak untuk dipamerkan, maka direncanakan untuk membangun sebuah museum, dan museum itu berdiri di tahun 1926, dikenal dengan nama Museum Trowulan. Lalu pada tahun 1987 dibangunlah gedung baru yang terletak di Jalan Pendopo Agung di Kecamatan Trowulan, Kabupaten Mojokerto. Nah, bangunan dibangun 2 tingkat dan luasnya kurang lebih 54.000 meter sekian. Lantai 1 difungsikan sebagai ruang pamer dan lantai 2-nya difungsikan sebagai perkantoran. Kita lihat secara struktur organisasi, unit pengelolaan informasi Majapahit ini sebenarnya bukan sebuah museum, namun merupakan bagian dari Balai Pelestarian Kebudayaan Wilayah 11 yang tugasnya antara lain melakukan inventarisasi terhadap koleksi, melakukan kajian informasi terhadap koleksi, melakukan penyampaian informasi koleksi, dan saat ini artefak yang ada di PIM kurang lebih ada 85.000 koleksi yang tidak hanya berasal dari era Majapahit, namun ada juga yang pra-Majapahit, kemudian koleksinya ada bermacam-macam, ada yang arca, prasasti, keramik, porselen, dan jobong, banyak lagi.
Although Museum Trawulan has a rich history, it faces several challenges that hinder its effectiveness as a cultural institution and detract from the visitor experience. The unclear circulation path within the museum, due to the building's original non-museum design, confuses visitors and disrupts the flow through exhibits, resulting in a fragmented and disorienting experience. The outdated design of the museum further limits its appeal, particularly to younger audiences who prefer interactive and immersive experiences. Unlike other Indonesian museums that have embraced modern technology and design, Museum Trawulan's traditional displays fail to engage, risking the alienation of future generations crucial for cultural preservation. Additionally, the museum is not inclusive, lacking features such as tactile exhibits, audio guides, and accessible pathways for visitors with disabilities. This exclusion, along with the deteriorating infrastructure, including leaking ceilings, broken floors, and cramped office spaces, compromises both visitor safety and the preservation of artifacts. To overcome these issues, the museum requires comprehensive renovations focused on modernization and inclusivity. By updating its design, incorporating technology, and ensuring accessibility, Museum Trawulan can attract a broader audience and secure its future as a vital part of Indonesia's cultural heritage. In this Real Studio project, a collaboration with Museum Trawulan authorities to fix the museum's problems. The design proposal employs an adaptive reuse design approach, transforming the old warehouse into a proper and educational museum with the concept of Majapahit Ancient Kingdom in the modern era. The museum is to be designed in a modern and luxury style, focusing on functional space and more interactive areas for visitors, and luxurious ornaments showing the glory of Majapahit era. This design aims to attract future generations to visit and learn about Majapahit Kingdom. Museum Trawulan stands as a vital repository of Majapahit artifacts, offering insights into the rich history, art, culture, and daily life of the Majapahit Kingdom. Through its collection and exhibitions, the museum not only preserves the past, but also educates and enlightens visitors about this significant period in Indonesian history. The concept for the museum's design embraces a modern and luxurious style, primarily focusing on creating functional spaces and interactive areas that significantly enhance the visitor experience and luxurious style to show the glory of Majapahit era. This modern approach is aimed at attracting younger generations, encouraging them to visit, engage with, and learn from the exhibits in a more dynamic and immersive environment. By integrating contemporary design elements, the museum seeks to resonate with the preferences of today's youth, making cultural education more appealing and accessible. However, while the design is modern, it will prominently feature ornaments from the Majapahit era. This is integral to the museum's overarching theme, Majapahit Ancient Kingdom in the Modern Era. The inclusion of these historical elements serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it ensures that the rich cultural heritage of Indonesia is visually and thematically preserved within the museum. Secondly, it conveys a philosophical message that, despite the advances and changes brought by modernity, the younger generations must remain connected to and respectful of their cultural roots. By blending the old with the new, the museum aims to create a space where history and contemporary design coexist, offering a unique and meaningful experience to all visitors. The design concept for the Museum Trowelin, centered on SDG 4, quality education, aims to create an immersive and educational environment that highlights the historical and cultural significance of the Majapahit Empire. The museum will utilize interactive exhibits and digital displays to engage visitors of all ages in learning about Majapahit. By integrating modern technology with traditional storytelling, the museum will provide a comprehensive and accessible educational experience. Special focus will be given to aligning exhibits with educational curricula, offering resources for students and educators to deepen their understanding of Indonesia's rich history and promoting lifelong learning opportunities. This approach ensures that the museum not only preserves the legacy of Majapahit, but also contributes to the broader goal of enhancing the quality of education for all. The concept of the Majapahit Ancient Kingdom in the Modern Era was selected to address a significant issue faced by the Museum Trowelin, its lack of modernity. By integrating more interactive and engaging spaces, this concept aims to revitalize the museum experience, making it more appealing and accessible to younger generations. The goal is to not only attract them to visit, but also to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of the rich cultural heritage and historical significance of the Majapahit Ancient Kingdom.